At Cambridge Consultants, we get excited about how technology will influence our lives in the future. We have a vision for how drones could enable a step change in the availability of everyday physical items. We focused on one of the key advantages of drone deliveries: speed. When you want something fast, you almost certainly want it delivered right to you. Last weekend I was out walking and suddenly realised I was getting sunburnt. I needed sun cream, not delivered to my home or work, not delivered to a nearby landing pad, and certainly not parachuted into the road next to me, but placed right into my hands as I strolled along. Drones aren't limited by terrain or traffic, so why should we limit them to postcodes? We've leveraged our expertise in machine vision and robotics to build a unique demonstration system. DeliveAir is loaded with an item ordered from the recipient's smartphone app. They are presented with real-time progress of the delivery as the drone flies to their GPS location. We then utilise the smartphone flash LED to transmit a unique code to the drone, which acts as both security confirmation and as a positioning beacon. Our stabilised 3D vision system locks onto this pattern using a lightweight algorithm tailored specifically for identification of this signal. We keep the drone well away from the recipient and ground level obstacles by lowering the parcel on a 30-metre tether, connected to the drone via a bespoke level wind winch system. The vision system tracks the parcel position relative to the LED and continuously manoeuvres the drone, allowing us to place the parcel safely, securely and conveniently into the recipient's hands. The system is about as close as we'll get to instantaneous matter transportation in our lifetimes. It's a real thrill to summon an item with a button on my smartphone and shortly afterwards pluck it out of the air directly in front of me. And the future potential goes beyond adding convenience to online shopping. Pinpoint accurate delivery to any smartphone may improve the feasibility of life-saving applications for drones, such as EpiPen or defibrillator deliveries.